So this is just me documenting the fact that I'm filing this Sunshine Law complaint form through the AG office, Missouri State official form. Contact information, blah 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 blah. Here's what I posted. Gave him a link to the video. I uploaded and attached the video itself. Talked about Judge Johnson, Sandcourt, Carrie Sullivan, Judge Cornejo. Everything they've done. Dropped the file. Here's the video file. It's 100% done. They're gonna get it. They're actually asking me if I have a lawyer and to tell them what litigation I filed and plans I've already taken, actions I've already taken. Like, when I sue the state of Missouri, I'll be suing the lawyers in the state AG office. So they're asking me, hey, what a joke. That's what I wrote. Submit. To be clear, if you look at July 15th entry in the casenet file, you'll see I filed Missouri Sunshine Law request for all jail cell footage. This will show lawyers acting like judges in the St. Charles County Courthouse, taking pleas, and when I asked, who are you and what's your name, I don't even know what you are, where you're from, they won't give me a name, refuse to give me his title or the office that he originated from. Lawyers, likely prosecutors, are pretending to be judges and taking pleas. He asked me what my plea was, guilty, not guilty, or no contest. I was not free from jail yet. This was happening a year ago today. A year ago today this happened. And I chose not to keep fighting him on asking what his name was because he had yet to determine that I was free to go that day, today. Could pay the $2,500 that they weren't allowing me to make a 10% bond for. In that July 15th record, you'll also see I filed with the Wentzville Police Department and that courthouse. 911 calls. Not just my call, but the dog owner's call. As you see from the video I just posted, their DVD is blank. Doesn't have the dog owner's 911 call on it. So the jail cell footage, I want Missouri Sunshine Law. The 911 call, I want Missouri Sunshine Law. I want the police body cam footage from all three cops for all the 45 minutes they were there. Did they give that to me? No. No. And that's the video I'm about to make. Just to be clear, Missouri Sunshine Law, nobody has to obey it and there's no oversight, so nobody's threatening them to do it anyway. They're actually giving me blank CDs. Prosecutors are acting like judges. They're not allowing me to speak. Forget the right to free speech. I don't even have the right to be heard. I don't have the right to make record. Okay, Sunshine Law complaint form people at the state AG office who've already called me twice and then hung up on me, who've told me they had my email address and were going to send me the answer to the complaint file, but then didn't, who've ignored me now for 2 months. State AG office that the police are sending me to when they won't charge and arrest a judge who is openly breaking Missouri statutes posted on the wall. The judge is supposed to recuse himself and he's not. He's just not. Zero judicial oversight. Carrie Sullivan is a prosecutor at St. Charles County Courthouse. Had a warrant issued for me against Missouri law. There's a video I just posted about that. The judge signed it. Cornejo signed it. Not meeting the two requirements of, is this man showing that he's not going to show up for the hearing, or is he showing that he's a threat to the victims, quote unquote victims? Oh no, neither of those are in the police report, and yet Carrie Sullivan is asking the judge for the arrest warrant, and they enact it first by trying to get me in my home some Thursday night in December at 10:30 at night, knocking on my bedroom door, and when that didn't work, then they ambushed me on my way home from work, saying, oh, you just didn't have a front license plate, that's why we're pulling you over, pulling your record, and now you don't know about this warrant, but hey, we're taking you in now on this warrant. They take $2,500. They won't give it back to me on this bogus warrant. They stole my gun. They won't give that back to me. There's statutes that say you can't even allowed to prosecute criminally or civilly when a dog comes onto your property and you have imminent fear of harm for your in danger for your life. How many people are on video shooting a dog with a ball in its mouth? Check your shit, please, State AG. Because I'm suing you and I'm letting you know that the city of Wentzville and O'Fallon and the county of St. Charles are making you look like idiots. And your own refusal to respond to me, likewise. They just sent me transcripts to go along with these court hearings that I paid $25 each for, and the transcripts aren't even the actual words said in the court. There's summaries that are like 3 to 5 words long of what was said during that timestamp. They don't even dare record my words on their transcripts. I challenge jurisdiction. The military courts have it, civilian courts don't. People don't like this. You're inflicting nonviolent victimless criminal charges in a grand legalized extortion racket. A syndicate. Could you please get on the St. Charles County Courthouse and give me a call about these? Please do your goddamn job. Thanks.